竹 bamboo. 竹 There are around 953 characters to be found under 竹. 竹 is bamboo, and 竹 is a pictogram. There are two forms of 竹 bamboo. One is the complete form 竹, while the other is 竹, which looks like bamboo leaves. When we indicate bamboo, we use the complete form 竹. If 竹 is in a radical form combined with other characters, it changes to 竹. It shows on the top side of characters. 笋 is bamboo shoot. 笋 is the top, 竹 bamboo, and the bottom 旬 10-day period. 笋 bamboo shoots grow fast in 10 days. 筝 is a zither, an ancient Chinese musical instrument. 筝 is the top, 竹 bamboo, and the bottom 筝 to fight or argue. There's a story behind 筝. Some people believe that a father gave his two daughters a musical instrument made of bamboos. Two daughters fought so hard, and the father divided it into two instruments. That's the origin of 筝. 虺 or 虫 insect. 虺 or 虫 There are around 1067 characters to be found under 虫. 虫 means insect, and 虫 is a pictogram. When you look up 虫 in a dictionary, you may refer 虫 as 虺 or 虫. You can find 虫 in insects, worms, bugs, snakes, frogs, related characters. There is one form in insect, and 虫 often shows on the left side of the characters. Mostly we don't use 虫 alone. When we indicate insects, we use the three insects 虫. 蚊 is a mosquito. 蚊 is the left 虫 insect and the right 蚊 culture. 蚊 is the phonetic of 蚊. 藻 is a flea. 藻 is the top 叉 fork and the bottom 虫 insect. 心 heart. 心 There are around 1115 characters to be found under 心. 心 means heart, and 心 is a pictogram. There are two forms in 心 heart. One is the complete form 心, while the other is the standing 心. The complete form 心 shows on the center or bottom of characters, while the standing 心on the left. 忙 is busy. 忙 is the left 心 heart, and the right 亡 death. If you're too busy, your heart might be dead. 忘 is to forget. 忘 is the top 亡 death, and the bottom 心 heart. If your heart is dead, you forget about things. Both characters are with the same 亡 and 心, are in two forms to form two different characters. 口 mouth. 口 There are around 1146 characters to be found under 口. 口 means mouth, and 口 is a pictogram. There's one form in 口, mouth. 口 mainly shows on the left side of characters and sometimes in other parts. 吃 is to eat. 吃 is the left 口 mouth, and the right 起 beg. When you crave food, your mouth wants to eat. 吞 is to swallow. 吞 is the top 天 sky, and the bottom 口 mouth. 吞 is to look at the sky and swallow.